Tonight I am going to go through a laser wash 360 at Sheetz Carwash located in Cranberry Township, PA on Freedom Road. First off, I gotta pay for the wash. I'm gonna get the ultimate wash for $9. Let me get my wallet out here and pay for the wash, and then we'll continue our car wash journey.
One moment, please. Please select your wash. Please wait while your card is being... Would you like to have a receipt? You have purchased the ultimate wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
See the green arrow flashing.
Wash is ready. Please drive as slowly following the sign.
Sorry about the camera here, just trying to get my stuff put back in my wallet here. I am driving my 2008 Saturn Aura. First we're going to start with the undercarriage plastic. We're going to start off with pre-soak. There's our pre-soak. Pre-soak in the back. And it's going to put pre-soak on the side here. Get a double coat of pre-soak. Getting my car ready for Valentine's Day. Gonna go out on Valentine's Day. Got the day off from work, so I'm excited about that. Soaking. Now we're doing the wash cycle. Now we are applying clear triple foam, tri-foam. Not the greatest coverage, but pretty decent. Especially on the side here, you can see that it didn't do very good on the sides here. It's gonna do clear coat, surface protectant, Oh, nope, now we're getting our spot free and flash dry. What flash dry does is when the spot free water, it keeps the water moving constantly so the car dries better. Just drying, nothing. So there's the chemical chain, the supply chain. There's the machine, there's the dryers, there's the wash on. And that will be all, folks.